हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो? हाउ आर यू? किदा हाल चाल? So after a long time I am posting this video. Fruits. I wanted to share this moment with you. So mangoes everybody loves. I love them. My son loves them. मेरी वाइफ को, किरण को बहुत पसंद है. तो सीज़न तो ओवर है, बट जस्ट अ वीक बैक बिकॉज माई फैमिली रियली लव्स देम, तो हम एक बिग पेटी ले आए मंडी से. तो सम वर स्टिल लेफ्ट, सो आई थॉट दे वर गेटिंग स्पॉइल्ड, सो लेट मी ट्राई एंड जूस देम. कभी जूस नहीं किए बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू थिंक कि जूस होंगे नहीं प्रॉपरली. सो आई जूस देम एंड द रिजल्ट इज़ जस्ट अमेजिंग. Here it is, I'll show you. So this is pure mango juice. This is just 3 mangoes, 3 rather small mangoes, and a glass full of juice, and it's delicious. It's so electrifying, and it goes with every fruit. It goes with any fresh fruit and greens. So when you can have this kind of food, अगर आप ऐसा खा सकते हैं, I'll just take a sip. It is so elevating, every sip, not just on the tongue, but for the entire being. It is so settling, it is so centering, it is so energizing, it is so hydrating, it is so complete. Why would you want to make your body and being suffer by stuffing other kinds of food, which is just conditioning of the palate? You are fooling yourself based on how you were fooled by others throughout your entire life. Why should we even think about eating animal meat, consuming dairy, oils, fried food, fast food, junk, refined food, wheat, grains? I mean, wheat, grains, all of these food is so acidic and it is so dehydrating. प्यास लगदी ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੀ ਕੇ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਖਾ ਕੇ, ਤੇ ਬੋਡੀ ਤੇ ਤਰਾਈ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ. It should be always hydrated. Why would you want to eat a sponge to suck water from your body and then gulp down empty non-electric glasses of municipal water filtered through a plastic RO filter, when nature has already made all of that water available in containers for you to eat from? In nature you eat water, electric water. That is the portion of ultimate divinity. That is the portion of love. That is the portion of ultimate health. That is the elixir. That is the panacea that you have been looking for. Complete health हैगी है. And to see, you can do it today. If you have a choice and you can keep your body electric, then why would you just throw muck on it for it to suffer throughout? So make a choice. Cheers. You're all aware beings. We are all trying to make a difference, to have a conscious life, to heal each other. So let's do this. Let's do this now. I read this very beautiful quote. You should make this habit of reminding yourself that whatever you are doing now, is it in the direction of how you want your life to be? Or rather, whatever you are doing, is it taking you towards how you want to lead your life? So cheers to good health. Love you all. Bye bye.